All right, y'all. Here is another sneaker that's gonna be dropping that Nike recently released. Now, I don't know what Nike's strategy is or what they're planning on doing when it comes to these releases, but when this sneaker dropped, I want to say it was 2021. When this sneaker dropped, bro, people was outside for this, and this sneaker was going for 500-600, bro. And I should have sold it then, because if I knew they was gonna retro it quick. But today we're gonna be talking about whether or not this sneaker that's dropping tomorrow for 170, the Griffey Air Max 1 Freshwaters, are gonna sell out. I think they're gonna sit. Let's talk about it. Poppin', everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Troop. If this is your first time tapping into the channel, I appreciate you guys. Today we're going to be doing just a whether or not a sneaker is going to sell out, whether you can save your money, if you're going to be able to get it for under retail, all that good stuff. I'm going to talk about sizing and everything when it comes to this sneaker right here. Air Griffey 1 Freshwater, man. This thing is super fire, and like I stated in the intro, whenever this sneaker dropped, this was 2021. I remember going up to Foot Locker, and it was like a whole bunch of people standing in line waiting for it. And when I got my pair, I had people offering me $400 or $500 for this thing, and I seen it at one time. It was going for $600. That was just what the resale market was going for. And I should have sold it then, but I was like, nah, nostalgia, man. Your boy had to have these from back in the day. I remember having these as a jit, and I kept it. And now they're releasing again, and you guys have an opportunity to get these things for retail. The retail is going to be 170. If you are interested in these things, sizing wise, I would say go up a half a size in my opinion. I feel like a lot of these 90s sneakers, the diamond turfs and stuff like that, going up half a size is playing it safe. But if you like them to fit a little bit snug, true to size, you'll be cool too. Now, when it comes to this shoe is one of those things that's been retro before, 2011, 2016, 2021, and now we have it right now. And it's one of those shoes that you just wait for. You know you're gonna get it again, but a lot of people have FOMO. And when they have FOMO, that's what dictates the prices, and that's the reason why this sneaker was going for $600. I always tell y'all, man, if we just have a little bit of patience and we stop paying these crazy prices, resale prices, just to add another sneaker to our collection, that I feel like that the market would definitely be affordable. And for this sneaker right here, I think that the sneaker game is kind of like leveled out. And I do think that this is going to be another sneaker that's going to sit. We've had a couple of Griffies that's already dropped, and they sitting. You feel what I'm saying? A lot of the diamond turfs are sitting. And when I say sitting, bro, I know y'all don't like that. These things are under retail at a lot of different places when it comes to the other colorways, diamond turfs, up-tempo 96s and stuff like that. And I love it. I absolutely love it. So in my opinion, I think that these will definitely sit to be available. Depending on the stock numbers, they probably going to sell out on the sneakers app just because that's just the way sneakers app is. And a lot of people buy from there because they don't want to go off into the stores. But if y'all do y'all due diligence and go off into a store, I'm telling you guys that you will be able to get this sneaker without a problem on release day. If you feel like you have to have it and you need it on release day, I do think they're going to be available. You'll be able to walk in the store and get them. And also, I do think a couple of weeks from now, you're going to have different places and websites where they're going to be 30% off, 40% off. It probably won't even take a whole week, you know what I'm saying, before they mark these things down and have them available for you. Now, does that mean that these sneakers ain't fire?
Nope.
No. Does that mean that these sneakers are not a sneaker that you should go and cop?
Nope.
And also another reason why I think these shoes will be available, with just so much stuff dropping and people are waiting on, like the Travis Scotts that dropped this month. This is a stack month in May, and then we have the Brick by Bricks that's already loaded up on the sneakers app. I just feel like this one is going to fall under the radar, and people are going to have that mind frame of seeing shoes like this already sitting on shelves and not selling out, that I think that they're going to say, you know what, this will be a sneaker that I'll be able to get later on down the line. Let me save up my money, make sure everything's settled for Brick by Bricks, Travis Scotts. I'm just letting you guys know that if you're interested in this shoe, that you don't have to pay full price for it, in my opinion. You can if you want to. I'm not saying it's not worth it, but I'm telling you guys that I truly, truly believe that these things will be affordable and sitting on shelves. But y'all comment down below, let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. What do y'all think about the Air Griffey Max 1? Do y'all feel like this is the best colorway? In my opinion, I think it is. And do y'all have to have these into your collection? Or are you guys like me where your last retro that you purchased is still in good condition? Y'all let me know down below. But that's all I got for y'all. I appreciate y'all tapping in as always. Y'all know the saying is, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you and get 'em. We got fat, we got two, never slack.